Hi, boys and girls. In this lesson, we're going to switch or change the sounds around to make new words. Say, I can change sounds to make new words. One more time. I can change sounds to make new words. Excellent. Let's go ahead and get our board. Now we have letters on this board, boys and girls. What letter is this? Yes, F. And what sound does it make? What letter is this? Right, D. And what sound does it make? D. What letter is this? Yes, T. And what sound does it make? T. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to write a word, and then we're going to switch out that beginning sound and make a new word, okay? The letter C goes k, k, k. The letter A goes ah. The letter N goes n. But do you know the word k, a, n? K, a, n. Can. Yes, the word is can. We're going to go ahead and switch out this beginning sound. We're going to keep the middle and the ending sound the same. We're going to switch out only the beginning sound, and we're going to switch that k out with a, okay? And we're going to play our song and get ready for our activity. Are you ready? We can make new words by changing sounds. We can make new words by changing sounds. Just keep the middle and ending, but switch out the beginning sound. The letter F goes the letter A goes ah. The letter N goes n. But do you know the word? Here we go. N. Fan. Yes, the word is fan. Great job. Let's go ahead and put this F down here. We're going to switch that out with this D right here. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The letter D goes D. The letter A goes ah. The letter N goes n. But do you know the word? D, a, n. D, a, n. Dan. The word is Dan. Great. Let's switch this D out with this T right here. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The letter T goes t. The letter A goes ah. The letter N goes n. But do you know the word? T, a, n. T, a, n. Ten. The word is 10. Great job, boys and girls. Great job. You did excellent work. You know why? We just made new words by changing sounds. We just made new words by changing sounds. We kept the middle and ending, but switched out the beginning sound. We just made new words by changing sounds. We just made new words by changing sounds. We kept the middle and ending, but switched out the beginning sound. Great job. Okay, boys and girls. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little pat Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Fold them up and place them in your lap.